Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing another brand review. I'm going through Rocky Mountain Essential Oils website and showing you all the things I look for when I'm looking at a brand, and judging their quality and things like that. So let's go to Rocky Mountain Oils. This is a brand that I've used for a long time. Plant Therapy, I think, was the first brand I used after Young Living, and then I think it was Rocky Mountain. They have so many different products. They're an overall, just really good company. And how have their social media presence and how they give different recipes and ideas, and they're fun. They're a company to work with and to follow, and I really love them. So disclaimer, I do already love them. I don't do this on only brands that I like though, and have used before. I do this on all kinds of brands. So drop the brand names that you want me to do this video on next, and I will add them to the list. I just haven't done, I think this is one of the last ones though that I have to get through of brands that I do already like and use. Anyways, here is their website. They do have a rewards program, which we love. I love collecting points and saving money through rewards programs. So that's always a bonus. They have free shipping right now on orders over 50. I think it is their birthday sale whole thing right now. And they have, when they do sales like Black Friday, Christmas, all kinds of holiday, they do like huge big sales. So day 3 of, I don't even know, they do like a bunch of days and daily deals. So anyways, let's look at the quality and things I look for when I'm looking at a brand. So they have essential oils, singles, blends, luxury oils, roll-ons, organics, carrier oils, kids, accessories, a bunch of different things. And then you can go through categories if you want. I like that. Educate. So look at all of the things, right? This is what we're looking for. This is what essential oil company should have. They have a blog. They have Essential Oil 101. It's a garden. I don't know what that is. Compare oils. Our story. We promise. Sustainability. Like transparency is here. They share so many different things, and this is what we want to see. They also have GCMS lookup. Kids 101. An abundance of education. This is a brand's responsibility to show you, to educate you. So let's go to this. I didn't know, I've never been to this. Essential Oil Garden. Plants at the power to heal. So I've been connecting to people. I also really love their owner, Phoenix. She's on social media a lot and shows her face, and it's like the face of the brand really. And I really love that, because what Revive doesn't have is that personability, something like some people in a brand. So anyways, lavender. So you can just learn about different plants. This is cool. Benefits, origin. So just different things about each plant. I really like that. Okay, let's go to singles. This is what we do to check and just to single. So we'll go to lavender first.
Experience deeper levels of peace and
At
tranquility
the bottle,
with sweet-smelling lavender
name?
essential
Right
oil.
under
It is
lavender.
cherished for its gentle floral aroma
They have
that
their
is both
guaranteed.
earthy
This is
and
their
grounding.
one of their promises here. They're guaranteed safe.
In massage
I like
oils,
how they have stickers on the
aromatherapy,
top.
DI care and hair care,
Oils in a
candle
drawer.
making, and meditation. Additionally, it can
And
be added
then do
to
they have
homemade
safety,
cleaners
some
for a
safety
pleasant
info
scent.
on the bottle, but really we're just looking for ingredients or that Latin name on the bottle. That means what's in the bottle is what it says. And then we are looking, okay, so dilute for and diffuse. So it shows you how to use. The order will ship tomorrow. That's cool. Then the pricing, we always compare to like my top other essential oils, but for a 15 milliliter bottle, it is normally 20, on sale for 16. That's in the ballpark. They do have larger quantities, so that's really cool. You can get 4 ounces for $40. Okay, so GCMS returns. That's really a bonus, because like if you don't essential oil like blend or something, or you have an irritation or are allergic to something, you can always return, or if you're not fully happy. Recycled packaging, and then they do have their safe promise, which means satisfaction guaranteed, authentic products, analysis, free of adulterants, and then effective. So that's their promise. Product description. This is Phoenix, who we're talking about. Benefits, an abundance of information, right? So this is what we're looking for. Usage, diffuse, tell acne, mix with the carrier, combine with skin. Recipes, really cool. Facts, different, like sometimes this will all be on the bottle too, but they have the method, where it's from, the aroma, consistency and blends well with, that's always really helpful too. Safety and purity. So generally non-irritating and non-sensitizing. Use at the carrier for topical use. Kid safe. Shows you the dilution rate. Here for dilution rates. Is this still sharing? Okay. This is going above and beyond. I hope you can see that they're doing so much to make sure that you're using essential oils safely and effectively. Test results. Okay, so GCMS is for batch specific test. You can click here. So I'm actually, so Olive Orange right here. So I'm going to go to batch specific. Actually, I'm going to click on both because let's just look. So it has there, and this honestly, it might be the most helpful GCMS report to like the general public that I have seen a brand. So it has the name, the botanical name here, the percentage of what it is. These are the families, and these have different like benefits. So if you're an aromatherapist, you know that monoterpenes are beneficial in this way or that way. So that's really cool. I like that it just has that really big right there. Lavender type, country of origin. These things you like probably don't care about or know about. What you're looking for here is that this is current, which I don't see a date yet, but we're going to look for the date. And then that it is approved and no adulterants were found. So where is the date of this test? Oh, right here. So this is from December 28th of 2023. So making sure that the current, making sure that they're sharing all of the info on the test result. And then we're going to go back to the batch specific, going here. So on the bottle, what is going on with this? So on each bottle, it has a number on the bottom. And so I'm going to put my number for this orange in here. And this is kind of hard to see. 021900, I think. If that was it. Nope, that wasn't right. I think it was upside down. Did I already do this one? Oh, I think I already looked this one up. 006170. Okay, I was holding it up and I already looked at this one just to check. So orange, opened in a new tab. Let's go to it. Okay, so this is again a test. It has the approved stamp. And then this is a third-party test too. So that's also what we're looking for. In-house testing is just not as good because it's just I prefer third-party testing because it's another layer of transparency. So this is just everything about this oil, the date on it. Where was the dates? Right here. So July 31st, 2024. So that is what we're looking for in the test results. Let's get rid of this tab. We're back on the same page. And then next we're going to look at specific safety information. So we're going to go to bergamot. Oh, this one is FCF. So this one isn't going to be sensitive. They don't have just a regular bergamot. Okay. So we usually look at, let's look at lemon. Let's look at lime, just to be different. So lime essential oil, if you put it on your skin and go into the sun, you're going to have a reaction. So we're going to go to safety. Always dilute prior to topical application. Avoid contact with mucous membranes. Do not ingest. So I really do like that goes against ingestion just because it's not safe on specifically with an aromatherapist for a short amount of time. So some brands are free about ingestion. I think Revive is one of those, but just err on the side of caution basically. And it's a personal preference done, like gathered based on like the research that you do. So it's take that into consideration. Lime is phototoxic. That's what we're looking for. Specific safety information. We don't want just a generic paragraph of safety info on each essential oil. And then kids safe or kids dilution. Next thing, I'm going to go to the singles here again. What you don't want to see also is that each essential oil is $9 or the same exact price. They all need to be specific because they're obtained differently. In different size bottles, tons of things go into pricing essential oils, but they are all different. They also have like they're just labels. So I think that's best of Bustle, best of Yahoo, Women's Health, just different stamps of like, this is a really popular essential oil brand. Okay, so just kind of to go over questions that I run through when I'm checking out a new essential oil company. Are they transparent? Rocky Mountain is beyond transparent. They have tons of different information and things. Do they seek to educate? Absolutely. Tons of education. Do they third-party test? They do. Is safety info specific to each essential oil? Yes. And then are the GCMS reports on their website readily available to just click on and go and see. At this point, a brand should be doing that. And then are the test results current and up to date? I will find on different websites that they're not just always updated, but they're there. So you need to check dates on the test results too. And then just like, does this like a authentic company that wants to educate you and wants to help and has a variety of products? Like those are just the things that go through my mind. And then as seen on, like I said, this is a really popular brand that's been around for a really long time. So I think that is all I'm going to share. I didn't want this to be too long, but those are just the things that I look for and require in an essential oil company. So then at this point, if this was a brand that I hadn't used before and wasn't like one of our regular, I would let you know, am I going to purchase from and use this company? But obviously I do and I work with them. So let me know again what brands you want me to do this review on next. And if this was helpful, thank you guys so much for watching to the end of the video. I hope you have a good day. Bye.